Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your operating system, Windows 10, Windows 11, or macOS, because steps differ. Once done, open Settings on Windows or System Preferences on macOS. Use the Start menu or Apple menu to get there quickly. Make sure to create a restore point or note current search bar options before changing anything, because this lets you revert if needed. Now, navigate directly to the Search, Taskbar, or Spotlight area. We will change Visibility and Provider next. Now you dive into the middle steps. On Windows, right-click the taskbar or open Settings right arrow Personalization right arrow Taskbar, then set Search to Box, Icon, or Hidden. On Mac OS, open Spotlight Preferences to pick which categories and shortcuts appear, and disable items you don't want indexed. Also change default provider and privacy permissions where offered. For example, toggle web results on or off. These adjustments control both appearance and performance, so test quick searches after each change. Finish by applying and testing. Sign out or restart Windows Explorer, or reboot Mac OS to ensure the search bar reflects your new settings. If search fails or returns incomplete results, rebuild the search index on Windows via indexing options, or use Spotlight's privacy pane to re-index on Mac OS. If something breaks, revert using your restore point or the saved settings you made earlier. One troubleshooting tip: clearing cache and restarting often resolves transient search problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.